A new Google Pixel 11 Pro XL leak is making headlines, and one number is getting most of the attention: 55% charge in just 5 minutes. That sounds almost unbelievable, especially for a Pixel phone, because Google has never been known for pushing extreme charging speeds. But there is more to this leak than just one impressive number. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is also rumored to bring a larger battery, a slimmer design, a redesigned camera bar, and major improvements to its camera software. The big question is whether the charging claim is real or simply a mistake. Let's start with the charging story. According to the leak, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could reach 55% battery in only 5 minutes when using a 45-watt USB-C charger. If that turns out to be accurate, it would be a massive change for the Pixel lineup and would put Google much closer to some of the fastest charging phones on the market. However, there is a major problem. Other leaked information suggests the Pixel 11 Pro XL may support only around 30 watts wired charging. That does not match the 45-watt charger mentioned in the charging claim. Because of this mismatch, the 5-minute figure needs to be treated very carefully. One possible explanation is that the original information contains a typo. Instead of reaching 55% in 5 minutes, it could potentially mean 55% in around 30 minutes. That would make much more sense with the rumored charging hardware. And this is important because companies like Oppo and Xiaomi are already pushing charging beyond 100 watts. So even if Google improves charging, the Pixel 11 Pro XL may still not be the fastest phone around. Google has traditionally taken a different approach. Instead of chasing the biggest charging number, the company has focused more on battery efficiency, safety, and long-term battery health. So a sudden jump to extremely fast charging would be a major change. Moving to the battery itself, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to feature a battery around 4,985 mAh. That would be an increase over the roughly 4,700 mAh capacity associated with the previous generation. The increase is not enormous, but combined with Google's software optimization and AI features, it could still make a noticeable difference. Some reports are even pointing toward around 30 hours of battery life, although actual results will always depend on screen brightness, gaming, apps, mobile data, and other factors. The design could also receive a welcome refresh. Google is reportedly working on a thinner and more streamlined camera bar while keeping the familiar Pixel identity. The phone could also become slightly thinner and lighter, which would make a large flagship easier to hold and use. Then there is the camera. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to continue Google's heavy focus on computational photography. One of the most interesting rumors is support for up to 30 times super zoom. Rather than simply depending on huge camera hardware, Google is expected to use AI and image processing to improve zoom detail, low-light photography, dynamic range, and overall image quality. This could become one of the phone's biggest strengths, but the competition is getting tougher. Samsung, Xiaomi, and Oppo are constantly improving charging, cameras, displays, and performance. Google therefore needs more than just good software to stand out. For now, the 55% in 5 minutes claim remains the biggest question mark. If it is real, Google could have a serious charging breakthrough. If it is actually 55% in 30 minutes, the Pixel 11 Pro XL would still represent a solid improvement, but not a revolution. Overall, the Pixel 11 Pro XL appears to be focused on refinement rather than completely changing the Pixel formula. A bigger battery, smarter software, improved cameras, and a cleaner design could make it a very interesting flagship. But until Google officially confirms these specifications, the charging claim should be taken with a grain of salt. What do you think? Could Google really deliver 55% charging in 5 minutes, or is this simply a leak with a mistake? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more updates on the Pixel 11 Pro XL and the latest smartphone leaks, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for the next update.